Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Use a 15 cm square or 6-inch square of paper for one butterfly. Choose thin origami paper or recycled craft paper for better folds. Fold the square diagonally, then fold in half to create a triangle base so the wing shapes align symmetrically. Crease sharply and work on a flat surface to keep edges precise. Run a fingernail along each fold for crispness. Rotate the triangle so the long edge faces you, and prepare to make alternating accordion folds for the wing texture and body shaping. Make accordion folds about 1/4 inch thick for clear wing ridges, measuring roughly 4 folds per inch for even spacing. Fold alternately up and down to form 6 broad pleats for each wing, keeping the pleats parallel and consistent in depth. Leave a 3.5 inch central section to form the butterfly body and pinch it firmly to hold the wings together. Secure the pinch center with a small dab of glue or a tiny staple. Then fan and spread the wings to check symmetry and adjust pleats. Add a 10 cm ribbon or 2 cm wire to hang or attach the butterfly by tucking it under the pinch center and securing with glue. This creates an easy mobile. Decorate wings with markers, glitter, or 50 mg of glue for sequins, applying small accents near the edges to enhance the folded ridges without weighing them down. Press gently and let glue dry 10 to 15 minutes before display. Once dry, reshape wings with fingertips and mount on cards, garlands, or gift packages for instant handcraft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.